Hello friend, this is from Karvil machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished powder production line for US client. For this production line, it is used for mixing and packing of dietary supplement healthcare powder material. So it is food grade for the mixer. And we make the mixer of the 3500 horizontal mixer, totally stainless steel and inside mirror polish. Let's take a round to make a simple display for this production line. This is a horizontal mixer, and this is a stainless steel electricity cabinet. This is a powder material feeder for the ribbon mixer, and another tool is for the powder material transfer from the mixer discharging valve to the packaging machinery. We have two packaging machinery, and one is for the big scale and another is for small scale. For the small scale, the range is from 5 grams to 5 kilograms. And for the bigger one, the scale is from 5 kilograms to 60 kilograms. Okay, now I would like to make a simple test for this ribbon mixer. And first, we start the ribbon mixer. This is a control cabinet. You can see this is a inverter panel, voltage meter, ammeter. This is for motor start and close. For the speed control, speed up, speed down. This is the spare part. Emergency stop button. For these three parts, on, off, on, off, on, off is for the screw conveyor. Okay. Now I would like to open the top lid to see the inside situation. That's great. This is the feeding port with a soft connection with it. Okay, now I open the top lid. You can see the protection net. Now the ribbons to rotation is possible. All the material contact part we make it mirror polish. Now I close the top lid. We use the Siemens brand motor and hot to speed reducer. On the top part, we have the safety protection sensors. Once the protection net removed, mixer will stop. Now it's max speed. We can see it, max speed. Okay, we can make the speed down. Now I have stopped it. It will stop smoothly. And then we will try to check the feeder of the production line. For this one is the material feeding, which we check it. Okay, no problem. And also we check the material transfer conveyor. Okay, let's check. Okay, no problem. And then for the small one, 只剩一个小点儿。 the small production line, small scale packaging machine weigh from 5 grams to 5 kilograms. And after we equipped the PLC system for both packaging machine. This is a hopper, and we would like to display the packaging process. For example, material will be transferred to the top hopper, and then once we make our bag to the packaging part, material output part, it will run. And then we would like to check the weight every several bags to make it the true weight, and then we can make the sealing work here. Okay. This is a hot sealing machine. However, we will need some air source. Let's make a display. We have a fold switch. Okay. About 3 seconds. It has been sealed, no problem. Okay, and then this is a bigger one for the packaging part. We have the hopper on the top and the material feeding part on the middle, and the material will be filled into the bags here. This is a pneumatic fasten device, and the material will be filled into the bag, also with the PLC system. After the feeding work, the bag will be transferred via this conveyor belt to the hot sealing machine part. And then we will make a display for this one. Okay, now I open it. Also has a fold switch. Okay. In this way, bag will be transferred to the hot sealing machine position. Okay. And then let's make a display for the hot seal. Also, it needs air source. Let's have a try. 1, 2, 3. Okay, about 3 or 4. It has been sealed well. So it is a very simple and easy operation production line. So just now I have made a simple display for this powder material production line work. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. If you have any interest, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. Thanks for watching.